Namaste friends. In this video we shall see how to ferment rice or millet in three different ways. We shall also see the advantages and limitations of all these methods. Let us see the procedure of making these fermented rice or millets. Any varieties of rice or millets can be used to make this fermented rice and millets. Here we need to cook fresh rice or millets in the evening. Please follow the right cooking method of rice and millets. Once this cooked rice or millets comes to warm condition, we shall nicely mix this content nicely using the hand so that all the good bacteria from our skin enters into the rice or millets. Cover the vessel using cotton cloth and ferment the rice or millets overnight. If we don't have a clay pot to ferment, then we can even use the same steel vessel, but cover the vessel using the cotton cloth because the pores present in the cotton cloth will serve the same purpose as that of the pores of the clay pot. The main advantage of taking this type of fermented rice is all the diversified beneficial microbes present in the environment would get attracted towards the fibers present in the millets or rice. And so we can get a diversified microbiome when we consume this type of fermented rice. After 8 to 12 hours of overnight fermentation, next day morning we can add the fresh homemade A2 cow milk curd, which will have a lot of lactobacillus bacteria. Along with the gut friendly bacteria, additional benefits like reduced cholesterol levels, reduced diabetic conditions, then helpful in the conditions of obesity, arthritis, autism, allergies, and even up to cancer can be corrected by taking this kind of fermented rice. The second method is fermenting rice or millets using milk. So we first add warm milk to the cooked rice or millets that is also in warm condition, and then just add a quarter teaspoon of fresh curd to this mixture of the milk and the cooked rice or millets. Again mix the contents well using your hand and moving it in a circular motion, and then cover it with a cotton cloth and ferment overnight. Next day morning the rice would appear like this. It's almost like a curd. So just stir it well using hand. You can add little bit of water if needed. Consume this rice very early morning like around 6:30 7 a.m. That is, just have it when it is in nice sweet condition. Don't allow it to get sour. The advantage of consuming this kind of fermented rice is it will help to bring that glow to our skin, nourish our cells and build tissues, put on some weight, and also so soothing for the stomach. But the disadvantage here would be, since the lactobacilli bacteria would be dominating here, we won't be able to get the diversified beneficial microbes into our system. We can consume this fermented rice or millets along with some black raisins or pomegranate arils, or even as a spicy version, we can add chopped shallots or onions along with some herbs and spices like chopped coriander leaves, curry leaves, green chilies, or even buttermilk spice powder, all of which form a prebiotic, that is the food for the gut friendly good bacteria within us. We will also get additional benefits from the fructooligosaccharides from the onions, various anthocyanins from the pomegranate arils and the black grapes, which are highly rich in anti inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And if you cannot tolerate the dairy items like the milk and curd, then we can also add soaked fenugreek seeds to get the benefits of gut friendly bacteria and also better fermentation. This method of fermentation will also give only a limited amount of good healthy bacteria present in the fenugreek seeds and not the diversified microbes, but would definitely give all the benefits of the fenugreek seeds like helpful in diabetic conditions, lowering cholesterol levels, then healing the arthritic conditions, and healing our stomach ulcers, and also reducing constipation and many more benefits like that. You may enjoy this fermented rice or millets using any of your curries as well. And of course, pickle is also one of the wonderful item with which we can have fermented rice or millets, which will not only give the benefits of lactobacilli and good bacteria, but also will have various polyphenols and flavonoids which will help in healing our gut. So make these different varieties of fermented rice or millet items as per your body requirement and enjoy their benefits. Thank you.